Precise replacement. Cylinder housing is constructed to match the casting material of the original part and ensure similar performance. Durable design. All rubber components are made of high-quality EPDM compound for resistance to glycol-based brake fluid. 100% new, made entirely of new materials, not remanufactured, to ensure highest quality and safety. Strict specifications, made to meet rigorous SAE International standards. Bore diameter, 1/25.4 mm. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This brake master cylinder is precision engineered to match the design, function, and performance of the original master cylinder on specific vehicle years, makes and models. It is made of new, high-quality materials for a safe, durable replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect brake for our trailer. Needed a replacement master for our trailer surge brake. The trailer sites wanted to charge almost triple. This thing bolted right up and works like a charm.